What's up, everybody? Blue Cool Salon right here. You know what it is. Hey, check this little video I'm doing right now. For if you ever thought about getting some fake grass, synthetic turf in your yard, backyard, I'm the guy to call right here. So if you live anywhere from Olympia to Seattle, and you thought about getting some numbers for some fake grass, let me know. Shoot me a message. We'll go out there, do some measurements, bring some samples. I'll give you some numbers on the spot. So, see all this stuff right here? All this stuff in the background? These are real jobs done by us. No fake stuff right here. So, Blue Cool Salon, check out my page. Scroll up, scroll down, scroll up, whatever you want to do. I got videos, I got pictures. Look me up. And if you're a hater, don't leave no hater comment. Don't bring that negativity over here. Keep it on your side. Alright, everybody, until next time, stay safe. Stay on the drugs. Happy fall. Later.